I've noticed with all birds in general that I work with, but especially these little Amazons, they kind of all have their own little personalities. And they also all learn this behavior differently, like I said before. Oh, that's cool. Some of them actually, what they'll do is they'll take their beak and put it on the thing and like draw a circle with the paintbrush, kind of. But that's just how they were trained. We reinforced them for that behavior, so that's what they're going to do.
What are the things?